Alright, so we have a 1.87 carat peachy pink diamond natural. I'm going to capture it in the gem light box. Very simply, smartphone goes in front, tap to focus. We've got our brightness bar, we brighten as we can see true color, and simply click to capture. That is beautiful. And finish. Save it. We'll also do a 45-degree video and we'll do it slow.
So